calls that sound like you're going there to help someone are sometimes the ones where you're actually walking into a trap. Because of the nature of this call, the deputies don't arrive just looking for a suspect. They arrive thinking a terrified victim is inside. But inside that house, the positions kept changing and they couldn't see clearly because every doorway, window, and shadow became a place a gun could appear from. And then we saw the deputy standing in an open driveway with minimal cover, drawn weapons, and a man moving behind a vehicle in a dark garage. Pointing an object in a dark environment at police is a recipe for disaster. And this is the moment the situation changes for them. Because in low light, distance, and stress, police aren't deciding what the object is. They're deciding whether they're about to die. Now, some people may disagree with the deputy's actions, and that's okay. But just remember, he stepped out twice in the shooting stance. And even though there was never an actual victim, the danger was real even if the weapon wasn't. A lot of people think police shootings begin with anger, but in reality, they begin with uncertainty and end in about 2 seconds.
On December 20th, 2024, Charles County deputies in Maryland raced to a $1 million McMansion in White Plains after a 911 caller reported a violent sexual assault in progress. The caller said he'd been attacked, threatened with a gun, and was being held hostage inside the house. What deputies didn't know was that the situation was about to take a turn no one saw coming.
You see if you can locate a phone number for this house and or the homeowner's name from that previous call. It doesn't look like I got any movement inside and no one's coming to the front door. Yeah. Oh, I got somebody inside. Come to the door.
Sure, but we can see somebody through the window.
He's got a mask on. Hey, come here. He's got a mask on.
He's got a mask on.
Come here now. Hands.
Go ahead and start the canine.
Come here now. Let me see your hands or I will shoot you. Put your hands up. Come over here now.
Canine, call.
Garage. Front door, hands up.
I got contact with him at the garage, center garage door, trying to give him commands. He's not listening. Hands are in his pockets.
Take your hands out of your pockets. Go ahead, open the door. It's okay.
718, come over here.
Open the door.
Look through this window right here. Come here, man. Hey. All right, I lost sight of him. He went back inside. I saw him for a second. He went over towards, looks like maybe the kitchen, dining room. Can you see him, Sarge?
All right, I'll take the back side. I got that covered.
Look through the garage, because I lost him again.
Should be enough.
Okay, 535 from Walter as well.
284, come around front right now. Come here! I lost him. Look through that window. Come here, man. If you're there, come here. Now.
Just get on the ground.
Get on the ground. Do it now.
It's okay. Got him at gunpoint.
Got him at gunpoint in the garage.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Sir, step out.
Come here now.
I don't want to hurt you. Just come out from behind the car.
Do it now.
I can't see his other hand.
Neither can I.
I don't have it. It's in his pocket still.
Come here now. Come from behind that truck right now. Huh? You need to come here right now. Okay, well, you don't want to do that. You need to come from behind that truck. You need to lay on the ground. Okay, come from behind the truck. You don't want to do that.
Hey, Sarge.
Yeah.
You want to back up? I got long rifle.
No, we got this door open. I don't want it to close on us.
Come here. Dude, we're not going to hurt you, bro. Huh? I can't hear you, bud.
You still have vision?
Come here. Yeah, barely. All right, now I don't. Come here, bud.
All right, why don't you move over? I got a long rifle.
Bud, would you just come out from behind the...
Signal 13, signal 13.
He's got a gun, headquarters.
You got coverage? Come here from behind this car, the truck.
Okay, he's right behind the truck. He came out, pointed a gun at us and tucked behind the truck.
Come here.
Any unit responding, just go. Do not tie
Come here, man. Come from behind. Down. Cease fire. Put the gun down. Put the gun down.
Shot fired, man down.
Hands. Let me see your hands.
Reload. Wait, just wait.
Back up.
Let me see your hands, bud.
Cut in between his thigh and his hips.
Okay.
He's rolled over up against it.
Up against it. Okay. Where did it fall when he went down?
It's in between his right thigh on the ground and his right thigh.
Okay. Just keep an eye on that right hand, okay?
Update. Who's down? How many?
Hold on. I get it.
Got one down.
Got one down.
So far, officers okay.
Officers are okay.
So far, officers are okay. Even with the suspect on the ground, deputies couldn't stand down. The 911 caller had reported being held hostage inside the home. Music and officers still had no idea where that victim was, or if they were even alive. Their next priority was to breach the house and search for the person they Music believed was trapped inside, while simultaneously disarming the suspect and starting emergency first aid. Yep.
BT, put it down.
No, yeah, I gotta put my gloves on.
Just hold on a second.
Hey, listen.
Don't know.
I'm gonna come up on the right side, so don't play.
It's on his right side on our left.
On our left, in between the truck tire and his right hip. Go. You got gloves on?
No. I'm gonna put them on now.
Okay.
Where's the gun?
The gun in the truck.
Hold on.
My flashlight's dead.
Got you.
Yep, tell him to come in.
Send him in. Send him in.
We're taking him into custody. We have EMS coming in.
Let's clear this house. Someone come with me and clear this house.
I got you.
You there. You stay with him. Go.
Sheriff's office!
Everybody stand by. We gotta clear the house.
Got the right.
Chaos path and high road.
All right, go ahead, buddy.
Yep. Go right.
I got the hallway here.
Yep. We're clear right. We're clear right. Watch up.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Ready?
Yep, I'm gonna push.
Keep going right.
Go.
Sheriff's office! Got you.
I got the step.
Closet. Gotcha.
Good. Face.
Yep. Ready?
Round 2, man. I'm on Billingsley. I'll continue in code 1.
Where you going?
Copy.
Take left.
Yep.
You guys want me with you?
376. I was in route as well. Advise how many they need.
Clear back here.
Yep. Upstairs.
Walter, Station 8.
Got your back.
They should have the fish on scene plus the canines to do the house.
Going left.
727 tight. You got notified all day work. They'll be held until we can find out what's going on around this scene. Because nobody's secure at this time until we clear them.
On the left.
Yep. Got you right.
10-4. All units continue in attack hand from Waldorf. All Waldorf D work units.
All right, good.
727.
Going right, clearing this wall. Watch these doors to the left.
Got you.
Yep.
Got the bathroom.
Okay.
Good.
JT, how you looking?
Clear so far.
705 will be right at the front name.
705.
All right, clear.
Good.
Yep. Did you check on that other side?
Yeah. Finding it outside clear.
Where's that ambulance at?
Just hold what you got. Okay?
Let me get my travel kit. Watch out.
Yep. Go.
Yeah.
What do you need?
Right now we just gotta clear his pants. We gotta check his wounds. Hey, do me a favor. Secure my rifle.
Stay with us, man. Jordan, stay with me, okay? Stay with me, Jordan, okay? Give me a nod.
Yeah, open
Okay.
your eyes.
Okay, buddy.
Is there a thigh?
He's got one in his stomach.
Okay, buddy. He's got one in his stomach. The suspect, 30-year-old Jordan Proctor, was taken to the hospital where he was later pronounced dead. Music as investigators pieced the case together, they uncovered something unexpected. The 911 call that sent deputies racing to the home came from Proctor's Music own phone. He was the caller. At the time, Proctor was awaiting trial on previous sexual assault charges in an unrelated case where he was accused of.
Because of the nature of this call, the deputies don't arrive just looking for a suspect. They arrive thinking a terrified victim is inside. But inside that house, the positions kept changing and they couldn't see clearly because every doorway, window, and shadow became a place a gun could appear from. And then we saw the deputy standing in an open driveway with minimal cover, drawn weapons, and a man moving behind a vehicle in a dark garage. Pointing an object in a dark environment at police is a recipe for disaster. And this is the moment the situation changes for them. Because in low light, distance, and stress, police aren't deciding what the object is. They're deciding whether they're about to die. Now, some people may disagree with the deputy's actions, and that's okay. But just remember, he stepped out twice in the shooting stance. And even though there was never an actual victim, the danger was real even if the weapon wasn't. A lot of people think police shootings begin with anger, but in reality, they begin with uncertainty and end in about 2 seconds.